Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY, the DIY home fixes that saves you time and money. Today we're working on my 2015 Honda Pilot, so I'm going to show you how to change out your fog lamps to LED lamps. Let's get to it. So these are the tools that we're going to need today. We need a Phillips screwdriver, we need a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below for the actual LED lights that I'm using, and then we just need a 10mm socket. So the first thing that we need to do is just turn the wheel so that we can actually access the bulb behind the wheel well here. So it may look intimidating, but it's actually not too bad. There's only just a few screws that we need to take out so that we can remove this panel. Okay, so there's a series of 3 Phillips screws that we need to take out. So there's one here on the bottom, we got one halfway up, and then you've got this guy here that is kind of up underneath. Okay, so we're just gonna take this guy off here. Okay, so we'll just take that off, and then I just like to lay them off to the side. And if you're anything like me, I like to keep them in order. So that's the first one that I took off. Then we'll take this second one off. These ones are a little bit easier, so I'm just going to get them started, and then I'll use my hand to get the rest of it out. So we'll just get them out that far, just like that. And then like I said, I like to line them up. You see the difference in the screws too. The top one is a little bit longer than these other two. Okay, so right underneath here we've got this guy right here, which is a 10mm. So we're just going to take the 10mm and we'll loosen that guy up. There it goes. Okay, so I'll just take this guy and we'll put it over here as well. Okay, so there's a couple other things up underneath here. So once we get this guy off, we've got these little tabs here. There are 3 of these little pegs that go along here. These guys, what you do is you just kind of get underneath the screwdriver like this, and you just gently move them to where they pop out just a little bit like that. See that? So once you get to that point, you're done, okay? Because it'll break. So then you get up underneath the main part, and you're able to get them out just like that. And then now we should be able to start pulling this guy out like that, and that should expose the fog lamp. So let me get a flashlight so we can see it. Okay, so now that you've got this open, the fog lamp is actually located clear up and inside here. So you can see it clear up in there, just like that right there. So you have to reach up in there, and then you can turn counterclockwise to get it out and reveal the bulb. Okay, so there's 2 ways to do it. You can either just pull it out just like this, rotate the whole light, or you can disconnect the wiring. So how you disconnect the wiring, I'll just show you since I've got it out here. There's a little tab in the back. You just push down on that tab, and then it releases the light just like this. Okay, so you push down on the tab and then pull the light straight out. Okay, now all we need to do is just plug in the new one and put it back in. All right, so you can see up there, that is the housing. So you just turn the bulb counterclockwise and you can pull it straight out. Once you pull this out, you can see kind of the end of that's the wiring. So this will just plug right into the bulb. So let me show you how this works. So this is the new LED light. It looks just a little bit different than the halogen bulb. Let me show you. So this is the old halogen bulb, and then this is the new LED bulb. So it'll be a little bit brighter, should do a little bit better job than what the halogen bulb is. But you just want to make sure that this is the same size. What came out is called an H11. So you just want to make sure that the one that you ordered is the same size. So this is an H11. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to come back inside here. So I'm just going to take this and plug it back in until you hear a little snap, and now it's ready to go back up and in. Okay, so before I put it back in, I like to test it before I put everything back together. So now that I know it's up and running, there it is, it's on. Now we can go ahead and put it back into place. So before I button it all up, I just turned on the car, made sure it looks good. You can see the difference between the LED light and the original fog lamp. So there's the original fog lamp, and then there's the new LED. So we got that back in. Now let's just button everything back up. Okay, now all we have to do is just pop this guy back in. So you just kind of work it back into place, and then we're just going to tighten these screws back up. Make sure that you get them lined up. You'll know if you've got it because it'll go nice and tight again. So get that one nice and tight. So then this guy right here, we'll get that nice and tight. Just like that. That's up in there nice and tight. So you got that 1, 2, and then this one down here, 3. So now all we got to do is pop those pegs down underneath back in. All right, so these guys here, you just pop these back in. You wiggle them back and forth a little bit, and then you push the center part, and it sucks it right back up and in. So you got the 3 of them. So there's that one, the second one, and then the third one is back up underneath right there. Okay, the first side's done. Now we can start on the second side, and we do just basically the exact same thing. We're just going to repeat the process by turning the wheel the other way. So it's exactly the same thing over here on this side. We're just going to undo the same 3 screws. Okay, just like on the other side, I'm just testing it first. And now it's looking good. It's all on, so we'll just go ahead and put it back in. Okay, you guys, so that wasn't too bad of a job. It does take a little bit of monkeying around, but you can get it done. And now we've got nice LED lights here on the fog lamps. So now that we've got the LED fog lamps done, now I'm gonna do the tail lights. So check out this other video on how to install LED tail lights on your Pilot as well. We'll see you on that video.